Okay, are you ready? Yes, I've been ready for a long time now. Are you guys sure you don't need help? We're fine. You just need to get out of the way. Okay. You can't see it, can you? You're pushing it the wrong way. Jeez, you're making... There we go. That's it. Just perfect. So I was like, and then I was like, are you filming this? Ah! Oh. Oh, this is so heavy. Ugh. She's very, very unstrong. I heard that. No, you didn't. Bloopers! What was that? Bloopers! Forget about it. You didn't record that, did you?
Oh wait. What? What was that? I don't know what we're doing. I'm gonna go have a juice box.
Like, seriously? Oh my god.
Where's my juice box?
Harry Potter and the wait. I don't like Dumbledore. His character is like so stupid. Like, ugh, I hate it. Harry Potter, 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 Harry Potter. Hey, where's Snape? Not again. Snape! I hate my job. Good. Bye. Now, thanks for watching Harry Potter and the Mysterious Ticking Noise.
Voldemort, Voldemort, oh Voldemort, Voldemort. There.